Hello, I'm Stan Surratt, proud superintendent of Lindo ISD, and I'm here with a very special student, senior Matthew Burns. Matthew has done some amazing work in his CATE classes, and he actually had a competition in Skills USA where he was scored at the highest level at the district level, and now will advance to state down in Corpus Christi. Matthew, why don't you tell us a little bit about this competition, what you did? Tell us about the actual drawings yourself.
Okay, so during class, I would have about 40 minutes a day to design my product. And last year, I designed a 737 and made it to state, but didn't win state because it wasn't a tool. So this year, I decided to make a tool that could actually help people. And this is an anti-drone defense system. You can use this to protect an airport from a drone. Now, why would you protect an airport from a drone? Now, similar to a bird strike, how it can take down an airplane, I'm pretty sure we all remember when the airplane went down in New York with Captain Sully. They made a movie about it.
Yeah.
A drone can do the same thing. You can just fly a drone into an airport, they have to shut the airport down because the drone can take down an airplane. This can stop the drone.
So you went to the district competition.
Yes.
And what did they say about your drawings?
That it was excellent and outstanding, that they hadn't seen something like this at district ever.
Matthew is a great student. I've had him since he was a sophomore, and he is a senior now. He is a very smart student and excels with any task that I give him.